Good day, everyone. I hope you are doing good. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how to frame your phone like this. There are many ways to do it, but I'm going to show you 2 ways in this video. Let's get started. Let me take the first. We are going to use the phone's own one before designing using Pixel app to do it. We are going to use the phone's built-in one. Let me take the screenshot and show you how to do it. After you take the screenshot, you click on edit and you click on frame screenshot. Frame screenshot, you see it, and you click on save. It will appear here. You see it. It's done. Now let's see how to use Pixel app to do it. So let me open my Pixel app. Let me open this one. This one has its own photo frames, phone frames there. Let me go to sticker and I will show you what I'm talking about. You see it, this one, you can use all, but today we are going to use only this one. We are using only this one in today's video. Let me bring in my shape. Make sure it's not bigger. The shape is not bigger than the phone. Make sure it's equal to the phone. Push it back, and you come to texture. Open your gallery. And you take the picture that you want to frame. Life is good and I'm feeling blessed. Want it all, man, I don't want less. Open screenshot. Don't care if you like me or not. I give love and I get all I want. Your problem, it no be my fault. Bad vibe, come off from my front. A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. You see it. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. Now merge the two together. If I find true love be what I want to. No love then I no want to. Spice up, peace of mind. I don't want that if I find love. Take time and I know. Or if you are having if your Pixel app, if the Pixel app that you are using is not having the stickers of the phone frame, you can import your own phone frame. Let me import one. Go for vacation and thank God for life. Mama, I made it and this is the life. When the me shoes and me no compromise. A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. That be all we need. I go to my shape. A simple life and peace. Adjust it to the size of the phone. A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. That be all we need. 10 regions. And you send it to back. And you go to texture. This is a big time of my life and I just want flex. The picture that you want to frame. Want it all, man, I don't want less. Don't care if you like
like me or not. I give love and I get all I want. Your problem, it no be my fault. Bad vibe, come off from my front. A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. That is all I need.
Frame this.
A simple life and peace. That is all I need. A simple life and peace. That be all we need. And if I find love, true love is what I want to. No love, then I no want to. Spice up with peace of mind. I don't want die if I find love. Take time.
That's all of how to frame your design or images. But the first one that I use, not every phone has its own inbuilt frame. Some phones you have it, some phone does not. So if your phone doesn't have it, you can do it by your own. And if your Pixel app doesn't have it, you can send me a DM. I'll give you the Pixel app, this one that I'm using. I'll send it to you. After you finish framing, you can save your image. Let me save.
I don't want stress. Take a break off the media if I need to. I don't want vex. This is the big time of my life and I just want flex.
Give it the best quality. This one is having up to QHD 1440. But most Pixel app doesn't have it. It has Ultra. So you choose the Ultra. If yours doesn't have this one, you choose the Ultra. And you click Save to Gallery. Save it. The image has saved. Then you go to my gallery and view it.
And if I find love, true love be what I want to. No love, then I no want.
Yeah, easy.
Spice up with peace of mind. I don't want die if I find love.
For today. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.